Hello guys, I was just woke up, so it's our day 7 playing Skin Club guys. So let's find some battles again guys. As we go guys, wait, let's go guys and find inactive battles. Let's join here guys, only around 50. Okay, let's wait. It's waiting for other players. It's waiting for other players guys, so wait. Or let's start with bots. Start now. Okay. Or start with ready with bots. Okay, so you guys, we have $3,241.03. Okay. That's so bagal. Okay, let's join here guys. See? Hope I get some rare items guys. Ooh, 101. Rare item please. Ooh, we won guys. I won $90. Okay. Let's get back here. Okay, let's find some and let's go and find some battles here. No, that's round 4. Only round 4. So let's try here guys. Round 10. Only round 10. Okay. 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 UMP 45 sleeping. Again, UMP 45. Knife please, knife. Oh, it's too bad. I think I lost this round. I lost guys. Rare item. I lost guys. So, okay, I lost there. Okay, let's join. No, not crazy mode. You know guys, if you join crazy mode, those if you are if you are lost, you will be win at their game. Okay, so don't join there. Like, how can I explain it? Let's try here on round 17. So I became terrorist and let's start with playing with bots. And let's wait for Chien. There. Let's go guys. Okay. P47 net. Okay. Round 17 guys. Hope I win this round. Oh, that's... Oh no. Rare item please, rare item. Oh, rare item please. Rare gun. That's too bad. Can't I get enough rare gun guys? Okay, and for E1S. Okay. Ooh. Knife, please, knife, please, knife, 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 knife. Oh, fuck. Oh, sorry, sorry, sorry. Knife, knife, knife. Please. Knife. Oh, we didn't get the knife. If we get the knife, I think we won. No, they won, guys. We lost. Okay. Let's go and find some battles here to join, and here. Here, let's try here. No, no, no. We want to know what's crazy mode, guys. No, not there, not there, not there, not there. Here. No. Ay. No, not there, guys. We already create some battles, okay. Loading. Okay, let's go here and join here. Okay, let's find some. Let's start with bots. Okay, I got $2.89, $1.07, so that makes $3. Okay, $4.78, $7 point. Okay, that's $8 also. Okay. 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 Oh no. I thought right would be a blue one. I think PF bot. I lost. Okay, we won, guys. So we are all tied.